In the Pune trekker death case, accused Sia Goel and alleged lover Chetan Chaudhary have been taken to the Lonavala Rural Police Station as investigation continues into the high-profile incident. Police are questioning both accused to establish the sequence of events leading to the death of trekker Ketan Agarwal. Shweta, you're at that Lonavala Rural Police Station. The accused were there a short while back. What can you share with us?
Well, that's right. In fact, the accused were here. We are talking about Sia Goel, who is 20-year-old, and Chetan Chaudhary, said to be around 22-year-old. And here clearly we have seen that how this particular police station, in fact, initially registered an ADR, then subsequently it was in FIR. While the investigation had come out with some ugly truth, later on the alleged accused were in fact arrested, and they were again the next day. In fact, they were produced before the magistrate court, and the court remanded them the police custody till 29th of June. Clearly, as we proceed, there are cells inside, and they are kept inside. Remember what exclusive visuals that we are showing to our viewers. In this particular spot, only the prime accused, in fact the alleged prime accused, are being kept, and their thorough investigation is happening. The questioning is taking place time to time, and remember, police has time till 29th of June to collect all the crucial evidence against the alleged accused. We are talking about Sia Goel as well as Chetan Chaudhary. So clearly now police is examining all the minute details. They are going through the CDR reports, and they are also trying to collect data that can lead them to the exact motive, and if not eloping with the alleged boyfriend, if not cancelling the marriage, what was the sheer motive to kill the person? Was it something related to what any other dispute, relationship dynamics, property dispute? Something larger than that are some of the questions that police would be solving while interrogating Sia Goel and Chetan Chaudhary.
All right.